Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, and today I would like to show you how you can find all specifications of this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then you need to type DevCheck, like that, and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just tap on Open. From this app, you can find out all the information about your Samsung dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!